Well, good day everybody, welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer thing, and if you recognize this bike, well, you know it's Pauline. That's right. So we are here with the 2022 YZF-R7, and what are we going to be doing today? Well, as you can see, I already got half of the fairing off, so that can only mean one thing, and that is the Yoshimura. Yes. We are actually getting ready here to install the super full exhaust system, the Yoshimura. So this is going to be the steel with the stainless steel or the carbon fiber tip on it. I'll write down the model itself. So before we go any further ahead on this install, let's get a sound test of the stock exhaust, and then we'll finish up with a sound test of the Yoshimura. So here we go. Oh, I need the key. Pauline's got the key. I don't have a key. Pauline.
Oh.
Where's the key?
What key?
The key for the bike.
Oh, sorry.
You key thief. Give me the key.
I thought you were doing a video, sorry.
I am.
Oh, you still are?
I still am. You want the mouse back? Here, take your mouse back. Look at it. Snagged on here. Let me stand. Seriously. All right, here we go. Let's do the sound test. This is going to be the stock exhaust, and the engine is actually warm because you ran it over here from downtown. So it's been running for half an hour, so we'll still get a nice sound test. So in 3, 2, 1. Do you hear that? I don't hear that. I can't hear that. Anyways, there you go. So that's the stock exhaust. Now, mind you, we are also still in a garage, but anyways, let's get the install doing. So I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to get you guys to unpackage the Yoshimura one because there might be some kind of foam packing and stuff like that. So I'll have to kind of lay it out, read the install sheets. And as we go along, we'll kind of get a little view here, and then we can finish it up with a nice sound test. So let's go. You look, and I'm getting all whole parts behind you, man. That's super wicked. Check out that stainless steel Yoshimura pipe, man, with a carbon fiber tip. Can you turn it so we can see inside? Is there a baffle? No, there is no baffle there. So it is a straight through. Dude, this is gonna sound nice.
I figured they would have went with a brushed finish on it.
Well, there was the all black, right? No, it was a full carbon fiber finish.
It's titanium, which is blue.
Yeah, but it would have been blue, and then yeah.
So
but
nice.
there was the full carbon fiber finish. But the problem is, it was such a backlog. It was such a back order time on that. It was going to take forever. So
Nice.
and I'm learning that Pauline doesn't have much patience.
Yeah, no. Not at all.
Here, let's take a look at the box here. So this is what we got inside here. Check out this nice 240, man. So it actually comes well packaged. The one I used to have on my bike when it came in, it was full of that expanding foam, and it was such a mess to try and get out because you had to cut all around it and try and pull it out from it. It was like so horrible. So this is super easy. So there you go. That's all you have, guys. So we have the front header, some installation instructions, the clamps and the mounts. Oh, yeah, there is a baffle in there.
Oh.
There is a baffle.
Is that a DB filler?
Yeah, DB killer. Yeah.
It's the same thing?
Yeah, same thing. Baffle, DB killer.
I don't
Yeah.
think I'll use it,
It's not a spark arrestor, but yeah. But that's going to be.
in here.
Oh, see, this is the same thing as the MT-09. So if you take a look here, Pauline, this rubber piece right here, you pull out that rubber piece, and then it allows you to get into a screw which has got the actual baffle that goes inside it. Getting to that rubber piece while it's on the bike, on the inside, is a pain in the ass. So you're going to decide before we put all this on.
We're not putting the DB in.
No DB killer. No DB killer.
No bueno.
No bueno. So yeah, because it's such a pain in the ass to get out and put in, and then the problem is if you get it out and then the screw falls out,
Oh,
it goes
here.
inside here. So now you have to take the whole exhaust off to try and rattle the stupid little screw out.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Tish, bad, bad, bad. All right. Anyways,
From under or in?
it's going to be from behind, like the
So it's
MT-09.
not like the WR.
No, the WR is from underneath.
WR's from the top.
Oh, well, yeah, inside from the top.
Inside from the top.
Yeah, this one is from the outside from the back.
That's dumb.
silly. Anyways, all right, so we've almost got everything loose here. So this is gonna drop down and then we'll be able to start putting on the new one here. So, all right, so as you can see, we got this now on the ground. So that means the actual stock exhaust is officially off. However, we ran into a snag in regards to this where the O2 sensor was completely seized. The threads were completely seized into the Euro 5 cat. So we're now running into an issue where we need to find an O2 sensor. So we're gonna have to get that out. But until then, we'll just get it all back together and then we can at least give another engine sound test. Unfortunately, Pauline, for the time being, until we get the new one replaced, we'll have a nice little check engine light going on. So that's gonna suck, but we'll make sure you're taken care of anyways for that. So that should have not coming off because it is a brand new bike and we've just hit only 2,000 kilometers on it. So that's a pain in the ass, a bit of a snag, but anyways, let's keep on trekking. We're gonna get the new exhaust on here and let's see what it sounds like. Yeah. So there we go. Now we got the actual header on, like super clean, man. That color looks really nice. Not that the color is going to stay that way, but anyways. So from the previous, I guess the O2 sensor that went up here because it had the Euro 5 exhaust is now relocated here just down below, which was the old existing O2 sensor location for the old FZ and MT-07s. So we're gonna see if we can kind of find a way. There's enough threads here, hopefully, but not that I think it's gonna do anything because the O2 sensor itself, that little carbon tip inside is broken or the ceramic tip is broken. But at least we'll kind of cover it up and hopefully that won't give it an obnoxious sound while we get this swapped out. So all we have left to do, well, yeah, I mean, if you didn't put the O2 sensor there because there's it's a hole right into the muffler, so it's going to sound like shit. So, and then you'd be breathing out super hot air onto the side of the fairing, and then it's going to melt the fairing and all that. So, anyways, we'll see how that goes. I'll decide whether you get to ride or not. I'm so sorry, girl. Anyways, we need to get this done. So we'll finish off with this pipe here, and then we'll give it a start. So far, so good, except for this stupid little snag, all right? So, Okay. So everything's pretty much done. The only thing we have to do, literally, is put this bracket onto that clamp onto the muffler and then put the little springs on. But before we do that, Sage totally twisted my arm and he said, Dad, I'm going to totally disown you unless you start this without the muffler. So that's what we're gonna do. So this is going to be a startup YZF-R7, straight pipe, no muffler, block your ears because it's gonna be loud. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Neighbors are not gonna like us if we leave it like that. So anyways, let's get the silencer back on. Woo, doggy, that's bad. All right. I had to do it. There you go. There we go. All is done, all is installed. All right, so now all we have left to do is just give her a fire up with a brand new Yoshimura exhaust here. So we got the full complete exhaust. Miss Pauline, would you give us the honors of pushing the start button for us? Ooh. There we go.
Okay.
Let's power her up. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh. Oh. Huh? She good? Oh, look at Sage's face. Yeah, that sounds, that's what a CP2 engine should sound like, right? So, there you go. Oh. So the only thing we're gonna have to do now again here, you're gonna get the new stinky exhaust smell, right? So again, your neighbors are gonna really love you, right? Oopsie. So unfortunately, we are gonna have that stupid check engine light on, right? Because we gotta change out the O2 sensor there. So again, that was a pain in the butt and that wasn't completely unforeseen. It will stink up a bit. It will smoke a little bit until all the oils are burnt off. But other than that, everything should be fine, right? Once we do get the new O2 sensor on, again, then it's going to feed the information correctly into the ECU, which then will correct and slightly change all the values for your fuel and air mixture, which will then run even, again, better. So right now it might run a little bit rough, but again, you got the sound, it's functional, you can move, but we have to get that new swapped out. So let's get the fairing back on, and there you have it there. So that is Yoshimura full exhaust for the R7 here from It's Dyer thing, with the assistance of Mr. Sage and our lovely little friend Pauline.
Thank you.
Wicked bike. Alrighty. Till next time, guys, y'all be good, be safe, have fun, and don't forget, keep it covered. Schmexy.
Wow, it looks so good.
All right, well, once we get the fairing on, it's gonna be super sexy too, right? Because now it's
so
covered it all.
weird. That sounds a lot louder than those MT-07s that been
Oh.
driving by us.
Ah. Yeah, but because she doesn't have the
yeah,
insert, maybe.
They're doing slip
Right?
on, you're full exhaust.
Full exhaust, man, full exhaust.
Yeah.